How do you go to the home screen on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If this is your first time here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials that I just don't want you to miss. Anyways, the home screen is not really a term for the Apple Watch, but what you probably mean is this apps view. So when you just click on your Apple Watch to unlock it or to wake it up, you'll see what's called a watch face. This is, showing the big time and some other features on it, right? So you might see a photo or, some little widgets or complications. And that's what it is, right? That's the watch face. You then press the digital crown, which is the rotating button, and you open up your Apple Watch, right? So you go to the technically home screen, right? To use the iPhone terms, right? So the first thing was sort of lock screen, and then this is technically the home screen, if you want to call it that way. And that's how you can do this, right? You can get inside of any applications, then press the digital crown again. It will return back to the all apps view. So that's kind of how it works. Of course, you can press your palm on the screen to sort of make the screen go black and lock it. And then the Apple Watch shows the watch face only. So that would be bringing the watch to the locked state, I guess. Right? So this is something which I quickly wanted to explain, especially for people who just picked up the Apple Watch. So let me know in the comments below if you have some specific questions or something else on your mind. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.